In this video, we'll go over how to foam roll the calves. To begin, we'll have both calves on the foam roller, and then I'm going to lift up my hips and slowly roll from just above the Achilles tendon to just below the back of the knee. You actually don't want to foam roll directly on the Achilles tendon or directly behind the back of the knee. We can also rotate so that we can get the inside and outside portions of the calves, so we'll just rotate to each direction so that we get the inside and outside portions of both. For a little bit more pressure, we can cross one leg over the other and then repeat the same steps that we did in the previous section with two legs. And so I can rotate so I can get the inside portions, and then also rotate the other way so I get the outside portion as well. For another variation, we can point our toes away from us or up towards us as well, and that'll help mobilize the tissues in some different directions.